Hello students, in this class we learn how to create this type of photo effect. In this photo effect you can see the background color is black and white and these two person with the colorful dress, and this effect called color splash effect. You can easily create this photo effect by using Photoshop. Now I switch to my reference image, so I click on the next document. I directly open this image in Photoshop. A background layer is created with the lock icon. First we have to create two duplicate layer. So I right click in this blank area and choose duplicate layer option. A flyout is displayed here and you can provide layer name here. So I choose black and white, B and W for black and white, and then click on the OK button and right click again and choose duplicate layer option. Because this layer is unlocked, so other option also available here. This time I choose color in the layer name box and then click on the OK button again. So two duplicate layer are created. Now I make some changes in these layer. So first I off the visibility for this first layer by clicking on the I button and then select this next layer and turn this layer into black and white. So I click on the image adjustment and then click on the black and white. By default preset is applied on this image and you can choose different preset like maximum white or maximum black, and other preset also available like this, but I choose default and then click on the OK button. So this image turned into black and white image. Now I on the visibility for this color layer, so I click on the I button and then select this layer. Now I make selection for these two person by using quick selection tool, and this tool available here. So I right click on this tool, and this second tool is quick selection tool and keyboard shortcut is W. So I click on this and start click and drag. So selection is created. Selection is not created in the proper way. Press shift key and then select again. Zoom little bit, and by pressing shift you can add more selection. Okay, selection is created for this boy, and same as I press shift key and then start selection for this girl. In case some extra area is selected, press alt key and then select this area, so this will minus from the selection, and shift for add the selection. Same as I minus this area by pressing alt and then click and drag and make a selection. And in this area there is some problem, but we will fix after applying the mask for this area. Now I apply a mask on this selected area. So this layer is selected and then click on the mask button. It look like a camera icon. When you click on this, a black and white mask layer is created. In case mask is not applied like this, in this mask you can see black area is outside and white area for the selection. So you can select this mask and then press Ctrl I. So this color will inverse like this, or by pressing Ctrl I you can fix this. Now I turn off these two layers and fix the problem. So I zoom little bit and here you can see this area is not opaque. So first I choose brush tool, and this tool available here, or you can activate this tool by pressing B key. So brush tool is activated and this mask area is selected. When you click on this layer you can see a highlighted box is created here. It's mean image is selected, and if you click on the mask, so it's mean the mask is selected. We have to paint this area with the white color, so press X key. When you press X key, these color will swap and start painting. Okay, so you can fix these problem by using brush tool. And in case some extra area is painted here, so you can change color for these masks by pressing X key and start painting here to remove the color from this area. Now I turn on the visibility for this next layer by clicking on the I button, and here you can see, so the effect is created. Now I switch to selection tool, and this effect created with the very easy step. I hope you like this tutorial. For more videos, subscribe my channel and like this video. Now we meet in the next class.